Meaning of good old boy.
Good old boy.
Good old boy.
Good old boy.
Good old boy. Good old boy is a colloquial term used to describe a man, usually from the southern United States, who embodies traditional values and customs. This term is often associated with white males who are seen as being socially and politically conservative, having a strong sense of loyalty to their family and community, and favoring activities such as hunting, fishing, and other outdoor pursuits. The phrase can sometimes carry negative connotations, suggesting a lack of openness to people or ideas outside of one's own group, and a resistance to change.